Hello and welcome to yet another YouTube video here on this channel. In today's video we are diving into Amie, which is a to-do list calendar application that turned into a meeting bot application. That's the best way I can describe it. I have tested out Amie before, but that was a long time ago. I haven't actually tested it after it got a lot of note-taking features, but as usual we can just start off with the pricing. So the pricing of Amie is really simple. You either pay $20 or $25 each month. With that you get unlimited meeting notes, bot-free recordings, AI drafted emails, unlimited AI chat messages, and AI scheduling. You can also get this as a business. With that you get CRM integrations, HubSpot, Pipedrive, and Atio coming soon, custom templates, custom branding on shared notes. So it has everything from Google Calendar to Apple Calendar, to-do lists, to-do integrations, meeting notes, chat with notes, upload audio files as AI notes. So a bunch of things you can actually do in here. Let's start off with some of the settings here. So you have your integrations. It has Linear, Notion, Pipedrive, and Slack, or Linear, Notion, and Slack, and Pipedrive and HubSpot are a part of the business plan. There is also, of course, the calendar integrations as well. There are applications here, so you can download either the App Store application or the Windows app. There is to-dos in here, and you can go ahead and change some things with your to-dos. So you can choose the default free busy status, choose how scheduled to-dos get created when sharing a booking link, for example, default to-do privacy. So I would just set this as busy. You could set this as visible. This is for people with access to your calendar, unless private. Lists, you have different lists for your tasks as well. You have the appearance here. You can choose dark light. You can change the app icon as well. Meetings, so you have to download Amie on the desktop app in order to get this to work, but you can actually get it to transcribe your meetings. So you can choose how meetings are recorded. You can either choose automatically, reminder, or manual. I would say reminder. I don't like when meeting bots, or not meeting bots, but applications in general automatically record my meetings. I want to decide whether or not it records. So I am going to set, or I would set this as a reminder. And of course you have your calendar settings in here as well. You have things like your accounts, your profile, and you can invite friends as well. Here you can add custom words. So this is mainly for, I've mainly used this for like some specific things. You can also specific custom words. So you can also set preferred languages, select the language you expect a meeting to be in. You can put this as automatically detected, or you can change the language. You can also choose whether or not the meeting notes should go to only you, to the organization, or to everyone invited. I think that covers the settings part of this. Let's now jump into the application. So here you have your meeting notes, and you can do a few things. I haven't had any meetings with this. I haven't tested it out. I'm guessing that it does a really good job with meeting notes, just because AI applications tend to do that these days. You can join a meeting to automatically record. You can generate notes, get the summaries, to-dos, and transcripts. A lot of applications do this. We mainly use Copilot at work for this stuff. You can share it. You can send a public link to everyone to view, and you can also actually upload a recording file. That isn't something I've seen a lot. You can go into your calendar. Here you have your calendar, and you can add to-dos. So you could add test to do, and I could give this a list or a date. So I only have one list right now, but I could give it a date. So let's say tomorrow at 9 a.m. Press enter again, and it will be set for tomorrow at 9 a.m. and you can see that it appears in here as well, and I can add a private note to it if I wanted to, but that isn't going to be something I will do. But you have the ability to press this and add a private note. You can change the display here, so you can group things differently, you can sort them differently, you can choose to show or not show done to-dos, you can choose to show or not show snoozed to-dos, so you can just change this up. You have the inbox, you have the today here as well, and I can click this to create a new list. So let's say I wanted one for my social media stuff, I could add that as well, and let's just write a film amie video, and let's set that for tomorrow, or actually let's set that for today. Press enter again, and you can see that it should appear in here, and you can see that they are different colors, the inbox and the this list right here. I can also change the colors just to make it a little different as well, and you could have multiple different lists. So let's say I finished this and I had a new to do. So let's say I wanted to film my mind video, and let's do at again, and let's set this for let's set this for 7 p.m. Press enter, and you can see that it appears here. And you also have the AI scheduled to-dos, automatically scheduled to-dos without manual rescheduling. So you have that ability as well, getting AI to do things for you. I also have this meet here, and also the share. So I can actually create a link and share it with someone. And you can see which calendars I have connected here as well. Let me just go ahead and let's just end this off. And you can also drag an event and create an event like this, and add guests, add locations or calls. So you can also just do basic like event creation here, which is something I expect from an application that costs 20 or 25 USD. This plus button allows you to do recordings, add record files, or add pages. So if we just create a test page, you can then have pages with like your recordings within your pages. And again, I can share it from here as well. I think that like covers up the main stuff. I talked about the AI scheduling. That is something in here as well. There are a lot of different things you can do in here, as you can see when I'm playing around with this. And I wouldn't say it is a complex application, but I would say that it has a lot of different features, which some people like, some people don't. And I am personally generally like not a big fan of applications trying to do too much, but it kind of makes sense with amie because they are targeting more business stuff with the CRM integrations and things like that. There are a lot of like good integrations here. Also email auto drafting, things like that also is really good. And you can just chat with amie about stuff as well. Again, something I expect in many applications, but with the email stuff, with the to-dos, with everything just in one place, it makes sense. And the pricing also makes sense because AI costs a lot of money. I think that covers it. I wanted to go over amie before like the end of the year because I've had this in my backlog of videos for so long, but I think that covers it for today's video. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I will try to get to them as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching today's video.